Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix the couldn't add to template problem on Instagram. Sometimes when you're trying to use Instagram's template feature, you might encounter a problem where you can't add your photos or videos to the template. This can be really frustrating, but don't worry, there are several solutions you can try. The first thing you should always do when encountering any app issue is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection, either through Wi or mobile data. If your internet connection is weak or unstable, it can cause problems with app functionality, including adding to templates. Next, ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. An outdated app can sometimes have bugs or compatibility issues. To update, go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Search for Instagram, and if there's an update available, download and install it. Another thing you can try is clearing the Instagram app's cache. The cache stores temporary data that helps the app load faster, but sometimes this data can get corrupted and cause issues. On an iPhone, you can clear the cache by going to Settings, then scrolling down to find Instagram, tapping on it and selecting a clear cache. On an Android phone, go to Settings and Apps Find Instagram, go to Storage and select Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, try opening Instagram again and see if the template problem is resolved. If none of these steps work, restarting your Instagram app might help. Completely close the Instagram app and then reopen it. This can sometimes resolve minor software glitches. If you're still facing the issue, you can try using a different template. Instagram offers a variety of templates, and it's possible that the one you're trying to use has a temporary issue. Choose a different template and see if that solves the problem. If you've tried all these solutions and nothing seems to work, it's a good idea to report the problem to Instagram directly. They have a support team that can assist you with technical issues. To report the problem, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, select Settings, and then Help, and choose Report a Problem. Describe the issue you're experiencing in detail. If reporting the problem doesn't resolve it, you can try reinstalling Instagram as a last resort. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app can sometimes fix corrupted files or settings that might be causing the problem. Keep in mind that reinstalling will remove the app from your device, so you'll need to log in again. Lastly, it's always a good idea to check for any updates or announcements from Instagram regarding the issue. Sometimes the problem might be a widespread bug that they are already aware of and working on fixing. You can monitor Instagram's official social media channels or the help center for any announcements. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.